Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is NURUL binti Muhammad LIKI. My number matric 23DPT20F1012. I'm from DPT 4A. Today, I will present about ethical issue and public concern on genetically modified organism, which is GMO. After that, the table of content. First, which is introduction. Second, ethical issue and public concern about GMO. Third, opinion on this issue, and lastly, reference. First, I will talk about introduction and definition about GMO. Genetic modified organism, which is GMO, are organisms such as plant, animal, and microorganisms whose genetic characteristics have been altered in a way that does not occur naturally by mating or natural recombination, also has been modified in a laboratory using genetic engineering or transgenic technology. Next, I will present about ethical issue and public concern about GMO. Have 4 ethical issue and public concern about GMO. First, the production of GM crop is not equal across the world, and in some jurisdictions there is little or no production. Countries in the European Union, which is EU, are a notable example in the regard. The near complete moratorium on the production of GM crop in the EU is based on common public view and political decision rather than GM food safety assessment. Second, the novelty of GM technology has been both an asset and a challenge for those companies produce GM seeds. Supporters GM crops have asserted that GM is merely an evolution of conventional breeding approach. They have insisted that humans have been genetically modified crops for millennia and that GM technology has been an adaptation and facilitation of natural breeding. At the same time, however, GM crops are patentable, emphasizing that the process is truly novel and different from the natural breeding. Third, the occurrence of outcrossing with non-GM crops, gene flow, and the advantageous presence of GM crop on organic farm has sparked concern among various stakeholders, including farms who are growing GM crops. Public concern over GM crop is centered in 3 areas: human health, environmental safety, and trade impact. GM biosafety is also forcing both agriculture and food companies to appreciate GM safety in their marketing decision. And lastly, which is potential risk to human health. Some criticize the use to antibiotic resistance as marker in the transgenesis procedure, and that this can facilitate antibody resistant development in pathogens that are dear to human health. Many critics on GM crop express concern about allergenicity. Genetic modification often add or mix protein that were not native to the original plants, which might cause new allergic reaction in the human body. Now, I will present about my opinion about this issue. First, study in more depth about GM crop to prove that GM crops are not harmful to the environment, human, animal, as well as the economy. At the same time, it can convince many people to use GM crop around the world. After that, upgrade the field of GM crop in the future in order to address the issue raised. And lastly, this is the references for our topic today. That's all. Thank you.